All right, so at MusiGo, we are interested in fitness and nutrition because fitness and nutrition go together like two peas in a pod. So recently I've discovered some freeze-dried food that I wanted to taste, and I was like, I loved the way it tastes. So I invited a few of my friends over. This is Dawn, Esperanza, Sydney, and Yen, and I wanted to give them a taste of this food and just see if I'm crazy or if it's actually good. Go! So the first thing, hi guys. Hi. Thanks for coming over. Have you ever tasted freeze-dried grapes before?
No.
Okay. So what is a grape when it comes off the vine? What's it called?
I don't know. A grape?
Yeah! All right. When you dry it in the sun and dehydrate it, what's it called?
A raisin.
Pardon?
A raisin.
Yes, a raisin.
Yeah.
So what do you think you should call a freeze-dried grape?
Raisin.
A grapes. Okay, well, I'll let you taste it, and then you tell me what you think it should be called.
These freeze-dried snacks are high in nutrients, have no GMOs, gluten, preservatives, or added sugar, and they are so easy to grab and eat when you're on the go. The snacky bags keep them fresh for a year, and the cans maintain freshness for 25 years. Okay, let's see what the girls think.
I like it, but it's not a raisin.
That is really good.
Definitely a raisin. It tastes like a grape and a raisin.
It tastes like a grape and a raisin? You want to try that one?
And it's so light and it's so airy, but it has all the flavors. Yeah.
As it continues in your mouth, the flavor gets better, like more.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's so good.
It's like nothing you've ever tasted before,
No.
right? Like, I feel like it tastes like candy.
Yes.
It tastes like a treat.
Definitely.
You
This
know.
tastes like a treat.
Wait, comment down below.
Oh yeah, comment down below and tell us what
Yes,
you think.
comment down.
Good idea, Sydney. All right, so what happened to Espe?
She's gone.
Oh, she got that excited.
That's it.
All right, so Dawn, what would you give our raisins?
I really enjoyed them, and they're like a sweet treat. I would eat them the way that I would eat candy. So 10 for me. Those are really yummy.
10.
That's a solid number 5. I really like them.
Okay, but you're like a hard marker.
Yeah.
9.5.
9.5. You can get 9.5. You're doing pretty good.
What would you give it, Ian?
I'll give it 10.
10?
Yeah.
All right, well that is our taste test for today. Thank you guys for coming by. Can't wait for our next one.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. Yay! Yay! Thrive!
Bye. Oh, if you want to try your own taste test, check out my link down below in the description. Check out the website and you can order all of your own snackies and Thrive Life foods. Bye.
For more fresh, healthy activities, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a healthy day.
Together today.